Hi my loves, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to dive into a very nice topic. Have you ever heard that drinking water and salt after intimacy can prevent pregnancy? It's a belief that has been circulating in various communities and on social media, often touted as an easy and natural way to avoid conception. But is there any truth on this? In today's video we are going to look into the science behind this claim, unravel its origin, and help you separate fact from fiction when it comes to pregnancy prevention. So let's get started. This particular myth suggests that consuming water and salt after sexual intercourse can somehow wash away or neutralize sperms, preventing it from fertilizing an egg. It's an idea that might seem plausible at first glance, especially if you're not familiar with how reproductive system works. The logic behind it might be that if you rinse your body internally with water and salt, it could potentially disrupt the sperm's journey. But does this idea hold any water scientifically speaking? To understand why this myth doesn't work, we need to break down how pregnancy actually occurs. When a man ejaculates during intercourse, sperm is released into the vagina. From there, millions of sperm start their journey through the cervix into the uterus, with the goal of reaching the fallopian tubes where fertilization can occur if any egg is present. This process is quite complex and happens internally. By the time you might think of drinking water and salt, the sperm are already well on their way. It's important to know that neither drinking water nor consuming salt has any effect on sperm once they have entered the reproductive tract. These substances don't interact with the reproductive organs or affect the sperm's ability to reach the egg. The belief that they can prevent pregnancy is therefore not based on any scientific evidence. Relying on methods like this one for pregnancy prevention can be risky and lead to unintended consequences. Without the use of proven contraceptive methods, the chances of unintended pregnancy remain high. It's essential to have accurate information when it comes to reproductive health. Understanding how pregnancy occurs and how to effectively prevent it empowers individuals to make informed decisions about their bodies and future. There are many scientifically backed methods of contraception available, such as condoms, birth control pills, IUCDs, and more. These methods have been rigorously tested and reliable. These methods have been rigorously tested and they are reliable when used correctly. If you're ever in doubt, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional who can provide a personalized information. There are plenty of other myths about pregnancy prevention floating around. Can you get pregnant if you have sex standing up? Does jumping up and down after sex prevent pregnancy? The answer to both is a resounding no. These myths often arise from a lack of comprehensive social education and can lead to confusion and misinformation. We want to create a space where these myths are addressed and debunked. So if you've heard any other strange claims, drop them in the comment section below. Let's keep the conversation going. Remember, knowledge is power, and by understanding the truths, you can make safer and more informed decisions. In conclusion, the idea that drinking water and salt after intimacy can prevent pregnancy is nothing more than a myth. It's important to rely on scientifically proven methods of contraception to effectively prevent pregnancy. Misinformation can lead to unintended consequences, so always seek out accurate information and consult a healthcare professionals when in doubt. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from this information. Subscribe to my channel and stay glued to this channel for more healthy content like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.